哈巴瑞，早安！现在快要9点了，我们吃过早餐，然后要准备把这个包包绑上车。那我们现在是在这个 Lake Victoria 的 Rusinga Island 上。
Lake Victoria 是非洲的最大湖泊，也是世界第2大淡水湖，位于东非高原，横跨肯亚西部、乌干达和坦桑尼亚3国。它不仅是重要的水源地，还拥有丰富的鱼类资源，支持着周边社区的渔业。湖上有许多小岛，其中包括肯亚的 Rusinga Island 和 Fangano Island 等等。Rusinga 是 Lake Victoria 中的一座小岛，靠近肯亚湖岸。这座岛以丰富的鸟类和野生动物闻名，同时也是重要的考古遗址。今天的计划是从 Rusinga 骑到大陆 Mbita， 搭渡轮到对岸往 Kakamega 去，差不多140公里，将近4个小时。
出发！现在是10点了。刚才我们问了柜台关于渡轮的服务，10点有一个渡轮。我们错过了，赶不上。那下一趟渡轮的话呢，就是下午2点。哇，我要等这么久。不过他说还有一个选择叫做water bus， 是在1点，快半个小时就可以到对岸。那我们唯一的选择就是 water bus 哦。那就趁着这几个小时的间隙，我们在 Rusinga Island 四处探索一下。接到了 off road， 前面的路被阻挡了，我们要走一下，绕道旁边。烂泥路，慢慢。哦，慢慢来。OK。好喘啊，这样子一小段，我的妈呀，太紧张了。Okay, another place of Korit. It's crossing from the center, from my lane. Stepping to sides. Okay. I think challenging is my feet cannot reach. Okay. Which path you walk? Taking? Okay. Whoa.
Don't be afraid to put your leg down.
Okay. Whoa. This is why the TT is so important. Hello. I'm not good with the off-road. I'm just going to use look where I'm going. Look where I'm going. Oh wow, and another one. The locals are showing how to go. Over into the park. 让他先过吧，我这个应该要拿多一点时间。Huh? First gear, yes.
Yeah, hold your bike. Just behind.
Oh. Okay. Wow. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Well done. 掉紧紧，那个脚掉紧紧。这边又是烂泥啊，这个草里面有水，要转到那里去。哇，这不简单呢，绕来绕去。Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Great. Oh, you're going to church? Ah, nice. 这边可以直接骑过去嘛？这是很软的，大家都走路去教堂。哦，妈的！哇 ，skid all the way. So cute.
The late Thomas Joseph Mboya's nephew.
统波亚是肯亚著名的政治家、工会领袖和独立运动英雄。他出生于鲁辛嘎岛，是肯亚独立运动的关键人物之一。在20世纪50年代和60年代，积极推动肯亚脱离英国殖民的统治，为国家的独立做出了巨大的贡献。他还致力于推动社会公平、经济发展、教育和劳工权益。他发起了著名的肯亚 Airlift 计划，帮助许多肯亚学生赴美留学，其中包括后来的美国前总统 Barack Obama 的父亲。统波亚的政治生涯充满影响力，曾担任肯亚首任劳工部长和司法部长，是肯亚建国初期的重要领导人之一。
On the 5th of July, a Saturday like today, Tom had just walked into a Chan's pharmacy. He had wanted to pick some lotions. He had complained of dry skin and a little bit of high blood pressure. So as he walked out to the pharmacy, Jenga had followed him closely and shot him twice. He would be rushed to the Nairobi hospital and unfortunately died upon arrival.
他在1969年遇刺身亡，享年38岁。 成为肯亚历史上的重大损失。
2 years later, his friends, most of from the US and the family, raised money towards the building of this museum.
纪念馆的外形像一颗子弹，不仅象征了他的遇害，也提醒人们他为实现肯亚独立和社会公平所付出的巨大牺牲。
好，我们看完了 Tom Mboya 博物馆，现在要骑 10 clicks 去码头搭 water bus。Wow, beautiful. Ooh. Lake Victoria.这边在建路诶，很好哦。再多1年来的话，这边都是铺装路了。我们来过这个连接 Victoria Lake and Beta Mainland， 前面是 Mainland， 和我身后面 Rusinga Island 的这个大桥。哇哦！ Water bus entrance. Kakamega.
Kakamega.
Ah.
Oh, you see.
卖海鲜。Are we going on?
Are you going to Rwanda?
Kakamega.
You are going to Kakamega?
Ah,
Yes, we have a boat here. We can carry this bike.
yeah, 2 bikes.
Huh?
Our bike is going into the ferry. Cool. 2 bikes here. Yeah, thank you.
How are you? You are good?
Hey,
Where are you going to?
going to Kakamega.
Kakamega?
Yeah,
With this one?
yes.
Oh. How many kilometers from here to Kakamega?
140
140
Yeah.
kilometers.
kilometers, yes.
Are you the one driving this one?
Yes,
The one driving it?
yes.
That one?
It's his.
The one driving it?
Yes.
Oh, that's fine.
好多人呐、Hi. Huh?
Can you carry me there?
No, no place to sit. No place to sit. No, for my bag. Okay. Bye bye. 没有，拜拜。拜拜，叫我载他去耶。 We're heading north. 从这边呢，到我们今晚住宿的地方 Kakamega 差不多143 click 吧。我们转进来了这一条前往 Kitmiyaki 的小道。哦，就是前面那个大石块，好大的石头呀！Look at how huge the rocks. We all humans are so tiny. Look at the rocks.
Yo.
大家对我们都很好奇啊！拜拜，拜拜，拜拜。6点半，我们到了 Kakamega. We're here. Wow, look at this security. Thank you. 先把包包卸下，再去 parking 吧。嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟。Yes, we've done it.